Very good morning, one and all. We are going to discuss about the basic loops, advanced loops, global variables, local variables. In advanced loops, we are going to discuss about the apply function in this lecture. Let's start with the if-else function. So in this, we are assigning 15 value to x, and we are checking the condition. If x is less than 10, we are implementing the x. Otherwise, we are printing the statement was false. Now I'll run the code. Look at the output screen. We are getting the statement was false as the answer because the x value we are assigning 15. It is not less than the 10. So it is moving into the else loop and it will be printing the statement was false as the answer. Next one we have is the while loop. In these we are assigning x value to 1 and we are checking x less than 8 and we are incrementing the x value and we are printing here. So till the condition is false, while loop x value will be incremented, this loop variable will be incremented. And now look at the output here. So values will be moving from 2 to 8 here. So when the loop variable will become 9, the condition will go false. So it will be incremented up to 8. Now look at the for loop. We have the values, we are assigning x values 1 to 5 in x and we are printing the values here. So it will be printing the values from 1 to 5. Next, we have the repeat. It will comes under the advanced loops. So repeat in combination with break we have to use. So whatever we write in the repeat loop, that will be repeated number of times. We want to break the loop. We have to write the break statement as a condition. Here we are assigning k value to 0 and within the repeat loop we are assigning k value. We are incrementing the k here and here we are checking the condition k is greater than 5 and after that we are writing the break statement here. So till the condition is false, it will be executed. Now look at the output screen. We are getting the values from 1 to 5 here. So here we are getting the values 1 to 5. Global variables in a function, we have to when a variable is declared outside the function, then its scope will be throughout the program. And if you execute inside the function also, it will be displayed as a 10. Outside the function also, it will be displayed as a 10. So I have a global variable. Here I am assigning a value 10 to the global variable. And I have a function and I'm calling the function here and printing a global variable. So look at the output. So global variable value will be displayed as 10 here. And here demonstration of local variable. Demonstration of local variable. Here I have a value within the loop. Within the function I am assigning a variable 20 and I am trying to print the variable here. So within the function only. So its scope will be local variable scope will be within the function. When you try to execute it outside the function, its value won't be 20. So adding two variables using a function. So I have a variable named sum two numbers, and here in the function I am having the parameters x and y. I am adding the parameters x plus y. In the print statement, I am calling a function and with the variables 1 and 2. These 1 and 2 variables, 1 will be received at x, 2 will be received at y, and x plus y will be done. And this function will be returning to the same point where it has started. In the printf, the values will be displayed. X plus y values will be displayed at a printf. So I'll be getting the value as 3. In the advanced functions, we have different apply functions. Let's look at a simple apply function here. In the apply function, I am having the data frame. In my data frame, I have x1, x2, and x3 values. The data frame is created here. And data frame is created with x1, x2, x3 values, 5 rows and 3 columns. And now apply function syntax is you have to use a apply function. The first part is the data part. After that, you have to mention the row, whether you are applying the row or you are applying the function. That you have to specify here in the second place. And the third place, you need to use a function, whether it is a built-in function or any built-in function you can use, or you can customize a user-defined function, and that function you can send in a apply function. Now I will run this program. Here, look at the values. Look at the values here. So the data frame is created. It's 5 rows and 3 columns. I'm using one as the parameter here. So it will be, apply function will be adding all the rows. So here I have got 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 10. Like that, I am getting a row count. All the rows will be summed because the built-in function sum is sent as a parameter here. Thank you, everyone.